Hello friends, I'm Dashin Kumar Dash. Welcome to my new channel Shadow Bytes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run the code for the project face rotation based address monitoring system on Windows 11. Now, if you're here from my first channel Smart Tech Magics or from my WhatsApp group, then you might already know the process, but if you are here for the first time, then don't worry, as I'm going to show the whole process from the beginning. So now the main purpose of making this video is that many of you are facing issues or errors while running the code on Windows 11. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to run the code of the face rotation and address monitoring system project on Windows 11 without any errors or issues. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so first thing first, you need to have a Python software. Well, the best Python software for running any Python projects is Spider, which is sub part of an Anaconda software, but it's also very heavy. So here in this project, I'm going to use ideally Python 3.10 and I'm going to download it from Windows Store. You can also download it from its official website, but I would prefer to download it from Windows Store because of better compatibility. So first open Windows Store, then type Python. Here now you have to choose this Python 3.10. Now simply install it. It's a very light software. Within few minutes it will be installed. You can see its size is only 39 MB, 39.73, which is equivalent to 40 MB, whereas the software which I told you earlier, which is basically the best software for running any Python project, is Anaconda software, but its size is nearly 800 MB. Anyways, as you can see that ideally Python 3.10 is downloaded. Now the second thing you need to do is you need to have the face rotation based instance monitoring system project zip file, which is this, and link to download this zip file will be given in the description below. After downloading the zip file, you just need to extract it. You can using any extracting software, even the built-in software is absolutely fine. Now here you need to press extract all, extract. Okay, so the file is extracted, as you can see. So this is the file. Now what you need to do, you need to open command prompt. So I'm opening command prompt. For opening command prompt, you need to go to Windows menu and type cmd. So here you have opened command prompt. Now you need to install some modules, necessary modules to run the code of this project. You can install it one by one, or you can install it by directly copy pasting all the modules at once, and it will take some time, then it will get installed. So after that, you need to go to that folder. On that folder, I mean the folder which you have just extracted, on the folder you will find a txt file which names installed commands. Just open it. Here you just need to select this whole thing. You can do it one by one, but I would say do it by selecting all the files in this way. I mean all the thing in this way. It will be a better option. So just select the whole thing except this one, obviously. Select this whole thing, press Ctrl C, and on the command prompt just paste it. You can see the modules are installing one by one. Just wait until the module get installed completely. You can see I'm getting the message that I'm using older version of pip, but it will not cause any issues in the project. So don't worry, just stay chill and let your modules get installed. It's installing. Almost everything is installed. Only one module is left to get installed. By the way, the installing time depends on your internet speed. If your internet is not fast enough, then it will take more time, and my internet is quite okay, so it's downloading, I mean it's getting downloaded faster. By the way, the last module which I have selected was not came automatically. The previous times module is not installed, so I have to press enter. Anyways, this is how you can, you have to install all the modules. Now just minimize it or close it. Now you need to open ideally Python 3.10. Earlier this project used to run with ideally Python 3.7, 3.8, but recently I found that it's running fine even on ideally Python 3.10. Some of you have also said that it's running fine even on ideally Python 3.11, but 3.10 is still more stable, which I feel. So anyways, now open ideally Python 3.10, click on files, click on open. Now go to the folder. I have downloaded the folder in desktop, so here in desktop, on here you have to open the folder. I mean, I have downloaded in desktop, but your downloading location may be different. Maybe your downloading location in the downloads folder. Anyways, presentation. Now you need to open this main.py file. Okay, so open it. Now click on run or press F5. Click on run, then run module. Hopefully it will run. Fine, it's open. Now here you need to type your ID. I mean, you can type any ID. I'm typing one, then I'm typing my name. Now click on take images. Click on take images. It's taking some time to open the camera. As you can see that it's taking images. It will take 100 images, 101 images, and will be stored in a folder in black and white form. So images are taken. Now click on save profile. Here you need to type a password. The password for this project is Magix, SMAGIX, and everything will be in small letter. Keep in mind that everything will be in small letter and the password will be SMAGIX. Many of you have earlier typed wrong password for which the project didn't run. Anyways, I'm saying too much. Now type SMAGIX. While typing the password, you need to be very careful, because if you have typed everything in capital letter, then it will show wrong password, and you have to see that whether caps lock is on or not. Anyways, now click on OK. Hopefully I have typed the correct password. Yes, I have typed the correct password. As you can see, profile saved successfully. Total registration now 1. Now you need to click take attendance, but before clicking on take attendance, let me show you how the images are stored. So basically the images are stored in training image folder, and here you can see all the images that I have. I mean, all the images have been taken through the web camera of my desktop. If you are using laptop, then it's laptop. Anyways, oh, by the way, many of you are saying that your laptop's camera is not good enough and you were going to use dedicated camera for this project. Well, if you want to know, then I will make a dedicated video for it later on. Please comment down below if you want to know how to use a dedicated camera and disable the integrated camera, because many of your laptop's camera may not be good enough. But anyways, by the way, first time when I run this project, I run it on a 10-year-old i3 third generation laptop, and there the project run just in a pass marks way. Anyways, now click on take attendance. So here you can see that my face and my name is displayed under my face with the blue box here. So yeah, the project is running absolutely fine without any issues or errors, even on Windows 11 using ideally Python 3.10. So yeah, now to stop taking this attendance, you just need to press Q. Make sure that you press Q, because pressing this cross button will not solve the issue. Many of you are saying that the camera is not closing because you may have not pressed Q. You have to press Q to stop taking the attendance further, because the attendance is already taken, you can see, and also the time will be displayed later on. So I'm pressing Q. See, my name is displayed, attendance is taken here in this, under this attendance column, not column, anyways, under this attendance thing, you can see that my ID is displayed, my name is displayed, date, and as well as time. Here it's shown. Now it's midnight 12:49. Anyways, so this is how you can run the code of face attendance monitoring system project using Python on Windows 11. Let me show you where the attendance is stored. It's stored in this. First of all, when you are registering as a new person, your details will be stored in student details. Here just open the student details CSV file, and here you can see the details of each and every student who have, each and every people who have done the registration. Here you can see, and the next thing, to see the attendance, you need to press here on this attendance folder, or better to say subfolder of the folder face attendance monitoring system. In this subfolder attendance, you can find the attendance along with the date named CSV file. Just open it. By the way, you can open CSV file even using LibreOffice, but I am using Microsoft Office. Anyways, here you can see the date is not showing properly. That's not a big thing. You just stretch it in this way. Sorry, it's showing some issues. I don't know why. Because of some reason I can't show you the thing. Wait a minute. Actually, my office is not activated, so that's why I'm facing this issue. But you will not face this issue because your office might be activated. Wait a minute. So as it was not opening on Microsoft Office because it's not activated, showing that it's not activated, let's open it on LibreOffice. So open with LibreOffice. It's take time. Oh, I have installed LibreOffice just now, so it's taking time to load. In LibreOffice, you don't need to even stretch this thing because it's already showing the date completely. So here you can see that your attendance details is stored, and the time when you have taken the attendance is also stored out here. So yeah, so this is how you can run the code of this phase resistance attendance monitoring system project. Let me show you by running once again. See, I am taking the attendance again, pressing Q to stop the camera. See, the time is displayed as well as the date, and the attendance is stored in the attendance subfolder of the phase resistance system folder. Open it using LibreOffice. Here you can see second time when I am taking the attendance. This is my second attendance which is stored here, and the attendance Excel sheet or the attendance Excel CSV file will be in this named as the attendance underscore the date. So yeah, this is how you can run the code of phase recognition based attendance monitoring system on your Windows 11 without any issues and errors. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. And if you haven't subscribed this new channel of mine, which is Shadow Bytes, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch this type of coding project related videos, and also sometimes hardware project related videos using Arduino or Raspberry Pi before anyone else. So once again, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.